In November 2024, China's People's Liberation Army Air Force (PLAAF) introduced a new generation of air-droppable infantry fighting vehicles (IFVs), marking a significant upgrade in their airborne capabilities. Developed by Norinco, these vehicles replaced the older ZBD-03, which had been in service for over 2 decades. Assigned to the 134th Combined Brigade of the PLAAF Airborne Corps, the new IFVs bring a major leap forward in terms of mobility, protection, and combat effectiveness. Designed to address operational shortcomings observed in recent conflicts, such as in Ukraine, these vehicles are built to handle modern threats while maintaining the lightweight structure necessary for airborne deployment. The new IFVs feature redesigned hulls with 5 road wheels on each side, offering improved protection with applique armor and side skirts. These enhancements provide superior defense while ensuring the vehicle remains light enough to be dropped from the sky. But what truly sets them apart is the integration of an active protection system, APS, providing defense against modern anti-tank projectiles. This feature puts the new IFVs on par with some of China's most advanced armored platforms, such as the Type 99A and VT-4 tanks. These IFVs can also be deployed by large-capacity transport aircraft, showcasing improvements in China's airborne deployment capabilities. The new vehicles are a part of the broader effort to modernize China's military, making it more adaptable to contemporary conflict scenarios. Enhanced mobility, protection, and offensive capabilities strengthen the airborne corps, allowing for rapid responses in diverse operational theaters. Replacing the aging ZBD-03 follows a global trend of focusing on active protection systems and strategic mobility. China's defense industry continues to make strides, positioning itself as a leading force in the global defense sector. Airborne troops are critical to China's military strategy. President Xi Jinping has emphasized the importance of rigorous training and combat readiness to establish a modern, powerful airborne force. These troops are essential for missions requiring rapid deployment, such as capturing airfields, conducting deep operations behind enemy lines, or providing disaster relief. Their ability to respond quickly to crises makes them a vital asset in achieving China's defense and security objectives. In the event of a Taiwan contingency, China's airborne forces would be pivotal in the early stages of an operation. Rapidly deployed airborne troops could seize critical Taiwanese infrastructure, disrupting military coordination and setting the stage for a larger ground invasion. While such an operation would face significant challenges, including Taiwan's defensive preparations and the risk of international intervention, the ability to project military power through airborne forces remains central to China's strategy. As China continues to enhance its military capabilities, its airborne forces are ready to take on new challenges, demonstrating the country's growing strength on the global stage.